Hello, everyone. I am Chavi Sahai, and I warmly welcome you all for today's session on personality traits of housekeeping staff. Let's first learn what do we mean by personality trait. The meaning of personality trait is a quality that distinguishes the character, action, and the attitude of a person. Personality traits reflect a person's thoughts, feelings, and behavior. Generally, a personality trait, if it's there in a person, will always stay. Somebody who has a positive attitude will always have it. Somebody who's punctual will always be punctual. And he would be respected for it. He will definitely go places. Here, positive attitude and punctuality are example of personality traits, something that we possess. Let us know and discuss the personality traits that are essential for a housekeeping staff, that are desirable. First, we come to grooming. It is absolutely essential for staff that comes in guest contact to have proper grooming, be it any department. For example, we have all seen air hostesses, how well they are groomed. We have been to fast food restaurants like KFC and McDonald's. We see how properly groomed they are. Everybody's wearing a hairnet because they are serving food. So all this is a part of grooming. It shows us the standard of an organization. So the staff of a luxurious hotel has to be impeccably groomed at all times. I cannot stress it enough how important it is. Some examples of grooming standards are: first, we should all be wearing clean, crisp uniform, well ironed and tucked properly. Light makeup for ladies and fresh light cologne spray for everyone. There should be no jewelry visible, only small tops and a wedding ring maybe. Hair should be tied in a bun for the ladies, or for the men, it should be kept short. And if the girls also have short hair, it should be neat and tidy. Everybody should be wearing well polished shoes. And as the saying goes in the hospitality, you are never fully dressed if you are not wearing a smile. So we have to be smiling at all times. Moving on, we come to personal hygiene. It is also a part of grooming, you can say, but we have to make sure that we maintain best personal hygiene standards. Having a bath before reporting for shift is a must. Clean and neat hair, manicured fingernails should be there. There should be absolutely no body or mouth odor. Housekeeping staff must maintain a very high standard of personal hygiene, as well as they should maintain hygienic standards according to the organization while they are working or cleaning in a room or a public area. For example, they should be using separate dusters for cleaning the toilet and then cleaning the mirror. It should not be the same cloth. Their standards have to be very high because it is the litmus test of the hygiene standards of the hotel. Because guests will judge the hotel at the same time. Next, we come to physical fitness. Most housekeeping works are manual in nature, like making beds. We have to sit down and do mopping, scrubbing, etc. So the staff should possess fitness. They should be physically fit. Housekeeping is also a 24/7 service. We all need to put in long hours. Sometimes everybody has to do night shifts. Staff may need to handle very heavy equipment. Sometimes we need to turn the mattress, etc. So physical fitness means a lot more in housekeeping. Next, we come to the personality trait of courtesy. We are all part of service industry, so we have to extend courtesy and make it our second nature. A housekeeping employee should extend courtesy both to the guests and his colleagues as well. It is essential that while dealing with the guests, the staff must be humble and polite. There's a saying, the guest is always right. Housekeeping staff should never argue with the guest. And if they cannot deal with the situation, it should be referred immediately to a senior member of the team. Guests will always remember pleasant and charming staff. This adds to their positive experience in a hotel. And a smile goes a long way. Moving ahead, we come to the personality trait of honesty. This is a very essential attribute of housekeeping staff, especially the room attendants who have direct access to the guest room. Guests' belongings, sometimes valuable like cash, jewelry, are found lying around in the room, and the temptation to steal is always there. It is only the personal integrity and honesty that checks this temptation. We all can have many security gadgets, CCTV cameras everywhere, but nothing can replace an honest staff member. For it is the integrity of staff that makes a guest feel truly safe. Next, we come to right attitude. Most managers agree that a candidate with the right attitude is more of an asset to them than a candidate who has skills but has a wrong attitude. For example, if I show you a glass half filled with water, some might say the glass is half full, and some might say the glass is half empty. So here is what your attitude distinguishes you from others. The candidate with good attitude displays an even temper, displays courtesy, good humor, and does not display displeasure even in the most difficult of times. They learn from their mistake and are always optimistic. The employee with right attitude is proactive and anticipates, means they are able to guess the guest's needs and wishes beforehand. Now let's take a pause and look at some small videos and discuss what we see, keeping in mind the right attitude. So, what do you see in these pictures? At first glance, we see that there's a wrecked ship, loss, and devastation. But to a person with right attitude, it may seem that maybe we have discovered a new island. Similarly, we see dark clouds, but to someone who has a positive attitude will say, clear blue skies are right around the corner. Keeping the same view, some might see fallen leaves, but a person with right attitude will feel spring is approaching and colors will be here soon. So we see that there are two ways of looking at things. No matter what the situation is, the right attitude makes difficult things seem minuscule. Now, right on time, we move ahead to punctuality. Punctuality is very important. If an employee is regularly late for shift, this shows lack of interest in their work and lack of respect for the management and the guests as well. Respect for time during working hours will reflect on employees' work, and it will help to create an impression worthy of appreciation. Everybody prefers somebody who's punctual. Like the old saying goes, a stitch in time saves nine. It is an old saying, but it holds true. Because if we do not start our work on time, something definitely gets overlooked. So moving ahead, we go to eye for detail. Eye for detail, this is one of the foremost personality trait that housekeeping staff must possess. They must be able to take into consideration minute details that a layman may let go unobserved. Example, which particular type of pillow the guest is using, how much water is he consuming. So we should replenish it even before he needs to ask for it. These are the things that gets counted as eye for detail. The power of observation, observing things minutely, is what distinguishes a good service from an average service. If somebody is using detergent to wash maybe their personal garments in the bathroom, we should keep some soap suds in the bathroom. These are the things, again, that show your eye for detail. The room attendants need to have an eye for detail in order to make up a flawless guest room. And the supervisors, the housekeeping supervisors, need to have a keen sense of observation to inspect these rooms for perfection. Furthermore, the whole property must be continuously scrutinized by the housekeeping department for proper care, maintenance, and the property has to look best at all times. Next comes the memory. Good memory is an essential asset in a housekeeping staff, particularly when we are dealing with regular guests and repeat guests. A staff member who remembers a guest's likes, example, a particular brand of soap, or his dislikes, like this guest doesn't like roses, or maybe he has a back problem, so he needs a hardboard to sleep on. Things like that, if a housekeeping staff can remember, he or she will be a valuable asset to the hotel. Next, we come to calm demeanor. What do we mean by that? That is, the person who's able to stay calm in stressful situations. Housekeeping staff may be faced with various kinds of emergency situations, and it is essential that they remain calm so as to they're able to do their best in coping with the problem at hand. A calm demeanor helps employees to think rationally and display their presence of mind. Sometimes a guest thinks that some of their stuff is missing from the room. It happens. By mistake, they are able to think that something is missing from the room. Whereas the housekeeping staff has just neatly arranged it or maybe kept it in the wardrobe. So we have to be calm and explain it to the guest and never confront the guest. So we have to try and be calm at all times. Moving ahead, we go to adaptability. Adaptability means to be able to adapt to any new situation or a new technique as and when it happens. This is a very important quality required in a housekeeping staff because they should be willing to try out and experiment with new ideas. Earlier, couple of years back, we used to have proper lock and keys in the hotels. Then came the key cards. And now, as the technology is progressing, we can now use our cell phones to get inside our room. So change is the only constant, as one of the saying goes. So we have to be constantly keeping up with the change. We have to be adaptable. And especially as service professionals, we cannot be rigid. And we have to adapt to new things in today's fast-paced world. Next comes the loyalty. An employee's first obligation and loyalty is towards the establishment. In this case, we are discussing the hotels, so towards the hotel in which they are employed and to its management. A situation should never arise when an employee is using guest as a sounding board or they are discussing any job related or hotel related matter with the guest. Something like, my boss made me work double shift yesterday. This is something you should not be discussing with the guest. It is not an acceptable behavior. The staff should respect the policies and decisions of the management. The last personality trait that we are discussing today is cooperation. The housekeeping staff must cooperate not only with each other, but also with the staff of other departments. This is absolutely essential since housekeeping involves a lot of teamwork for efficient functioning. If there is any lack of cooperation and coordination, it directly affects the guest and hampers efficiency. For instance, a guest arrives at the time of check-in, we see that the room is not ready. Instead of finger pointing, we can all work together and be fast. Some of the hotels have a policy of training all the staff in all the core departments. So if the need arises, they can go and help in the other departments. We have to remember we all are representing the hotel and not only our own department. It should not be me and them, but we. And then we will be successful in all aspects of our profession. If you remember, same was the slogan of Mr. Obama's campaign. Yes, we can. Now, we will quickly summarize what we have covered into today's session. We have discussed about the personality traits that are required in a housekeeping staff member. Things like grooming, hygiene, physical fitness, right attitude, memory, adaptability, and why are these traits important? I hope you enjoyed today's session. I would like to thank you for listening. Please go to the link given in the description box and attempt the quiz based on today's topic. I would like to give credit to following sites from where I have sourced some material for making this presentation. In the end, I would like to again thank everybody for listening.